Now we have finished the installation, so we are going to do the setup now. So now this is the setup page. As you can see, it says welcome. So basically, every time you have a new PC or you restore the PC into factory settings, this is where it will bring you. So now all we have to do is do the setup, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's very easy and fast. All you need to do here is select your country or region. So I'm going to select the British keyboard because that's what I'm using mostly. And now I'm going to enter my password. That's the Wi-Fi password. And by the way, this is not going to ask you to verify for Apple ID because that's where most of the people get stuck in. But this one is going to bypass that. And yes, as you can see here now, location. So from here, if you can see, I entered the Wi-Fi password, then press continue, and I have nothing to transfer, so I'm gonna press continue. Yeah, the location is set up. You press continue, and that's the Apple ID. So you can skip the Apple ID by clicking "Don't sign me," and you can sign in anytime you wish to sign in with your Apple ID or create a new one. So now after that, we just click continue, and now we're gonna skip the Apple ID process, and we are going right into the setup. And it says the term and conditions. All you need to do here is press agree and press agree again. Give your PC a name. So I'm gonna give it a name, account name, same. So you can set up a password. Okay, so let's set up a password. And here it's gonna tell you to verify the password, which means that you have to retype the password again for it to make sure that you have no mistakes. Okay, so that's what we are doing now. And from there, we are going to do the password hint. The password hint could be anything that you could put there just in case for you to remember your password. So basically, this is what I'm going to do. Press continue after creating the account and password. And yeah, diagnosis and usage, press continue. Nothing. So you see, now we are finishing the setup. So it's going directly to desktop of the Mac. As you can see, it's setting up your Mac. Voila. So as you can see now, we are in the desktop of Mac. So we have fully installed Mac OS in El Capitan in Mac PC. Please, if you have any other problems that you would like to solve, put it in the comment section, and we will help you in our next upcoming videos. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, so you get aware of all the upcoming videos that we are going to pass through. So without wasting much time, it's your boy and I am out.